Guys. So we are going to learn a little bit about extensions today. Extensions are a tool that is in VS Code and many other text editors and IDEs out there that can help make it easier for you to code and build your projects. There's a variety of different ones, anything from a color picker to preview to things that I don't even know yet. But we are going to work on a specific one today. So when you open up VS Code, and you'll see something that looks like little building blocks here. If you don't see that, you'll also be able to find it, go under View, and then Extensions. But I like the icon for building blocks is because what extensions can do, they can build the different kind of features that help you make helps make you a better programmer, and helps reduce the number of errors, which makes you faster. So let's go ahead and click on extensions, and you'll see that I have some that are already enabled and some that are recommended. So I should probably take the time to clear this up to make sure this is what I still want to have enabled and review what's been recommended. If you have a particular kind of extension you're looking for, you can look for it specifically, or if you just kind of know what you need something to do with color, you can look up a color and it'll come up with different ones. So like a VS color picker will help me do that. Yeah, that's what that does. Okay. And you'll see that there's instructions and explanation on what everything is. So what we want to look up today is something called Live Share. Okay, and close that out. And what Live Share is, it's a collaborative tool. And I'll explain what that is more in just a second. But when you look up Live Share, make sure there's a space in between the two words. You'll see Live Share Chat, Live Share Audio, and Live Share Extension Pack. The Live Share Extension Pack includes the audio of the chat and the share. And we're going to go ahead and click on that and hit install. It shouldn't take too long. The extension pack includes everything to start collaboratively editing and debugging in real time. So real time is the key word there. We know how we can kind of collaborate, in GitHub, but there is the timeline of, somebody editing the code, doing the pull request. Somebody else accepts that pull request and decides whether or not to review it or make any kind of edits or whatever it is, the process. So there is that lag of time. With real time, it is real time. With Live Share, it is actually real time. And so if you are working on something and you have an error or you have a problem, you're not sure how to solve, and you want my assistance, especially with this whole virtual classroom that we have going on right now, you can just create a link and share it with me. And whenever I'll be able to log in and see what you're doing and help you find the error or provide any kind of suggestion. So it does have an audio and text chat, as you saw here. And it provides it has one-click installation. It's very quick. It's already done. So it's ordered to begin pair programming. So pair programming is a type of programming where you work in pairs, and that can be done virtually, different places, or it can be done, in the same computer. There's various ways of doing it, but basically it's two people working together to program. So the way it gets started, we already installed it, and you do need to restart VS Code for it to actually take effect. So give it a minute, and then on the left-hand side, you should see another little icon pop up. Okay, and here it is. Looks like if you hover over it, it says Live Shares. Looks like a block with an arrow going out of it. And hide those. And you can also find it down here on the bottom. Now I'm already logged in, so if you may come up across a screen that you're not going to show, you're not going to see on here, but it's basically how you want to access with a Microsoft or GitHub. So somewhere along this tutorial, you might come across that screen. Select I chose GitHub, and I linked it up through my GitHub, but select whatever is appropriate for you. So to get started on LiveShare, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we are going to start. Let's go ahead and act like we're going to start a session. So you are wanting to collaborate with me because you have some question about your code. You would click Start Collaborative Session. Go ahead and close this out. And it's going to open up a live chat. And let's see, invitation link copied to clipboard. So you can send it to anyone you trust. And so what you can do is you can, let's see, you can go onto Discord. I'm going to open up Notepad. You can go onto Discord and send me a message saying what the link is, but basically that's the link. And all I would need to do is click on the link, and I'll be able to see your code. Okay. And let's say, there's obviously the chat feature. There is audio somewhere, but with our luck, that's probably not going to be something we're going to use a whole lot. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. If you scroll down a little bit, there's the audio call. So you can start an audio call. Okay, I don't have anybody calling yet, so that's how you can start okay, there it is. So I'm talking to myself, as you can tell. And then we can do the shared browsers. If we had something going on in here, you can see the browser. So let's say, let's go ahead and create a new file. I'm going to move this over here. So as you can see, some of the issues is just navigating your space. I'm going to go ahead and save that file, name anywhere. Let's do this. So I just created an HTML file. I'm going to use my image shortcut, hit Shift, exclamation point. It's going to do all that stuff. I'm going to hit Alt Z to word wrap it. And I'm just going to do something. Okay. And I'm going to just do a hello world. So H1, hello world. Okay. Save it. And let's see if I can do that browser preview again. Share browser. Let's see, keep going up to the blank one. So that's selected. Now share browser. Okay. I don't know. That's how you can play with. Okay. That's how you can play with that. Evidently, that's not going to do what I thought it was. But you can do a browser preview and all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. I don't know how to get rid of it right now. Okay. Moving on, but this is basically how you can share different tools. Share your code with me and chat with me, and you guys can do this amongst yourselves as well. So if you guys are working collaboratively with somebody else with this whole lockdown thing going on, you can share amongst yourselves as you're helping each other, learn or with on a particular project. So that is VS Code. And or I'm sorry, that is live share. Got distracted. I have a dog barking in the background. And okay, that's where we're going to leave it at. Let me know if you have any questions on getting this set up. Thank you.